Like, I thought that thing climbed a tree and then started hatching. Okay, knock it off. Deacon, or Jet, come here. Back.
No, Jet. No, Jet. No.
Hey. No. Oh my God, what the fuck? What are you doing? I told you no. That is insane.
That is.
Like, I had not been here but, what, over an hour? But how did that shell get on my tire?
It's coming out more and more, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like slowly jittering out.
It's probably looking at us like, oh my God, dear God.
Like, did that thing just, that shell literally just climb up my tire?
There's no way.
I thought those things had to be, like, on something, a tree or something for a while like that before they hatch. How did it just appear onto my tire? Did I drive like that from my house?
Maybe.